Assalam Alikum, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to answer a fundamental question. What is algebra? Whether you're a student just starting out or someone revisiting the basics, this video will break it down in a way that makes it easy to understand. So, let's dive in. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with variables and the rules for manipulating them. In simple terms, it's about finding unknown values. You use algebra every day without even realizing it. One key part of algebra is variables. A variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown number. The most common variable is x, but you could also see other letters like y or z. In algebra, you often solve for the value of a variable by using equations. An equation is like a puzzle, and the goal is to figure out what value makes both sides of the equation equal. Algebra is super important because it helps you think critically and solve real-world problems. It's used in careers like engineering, computer science, and even finance. If you can master algebra, you have the tools to solve lots of different kinds of problems. Now, let's quickly go over some basic operations you'll often see in algebra. First, there's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You use these operations to manipulate the variables and solve for their values. An expression is a mathematical phrase that doesn't have an equals sign. For example, 3x plus 4 is an expression. There are different types, like linear expressions, quadratic expressions, and more. So there you have it. Algebra is all about using variables and operations to solve for unknowns. It's not just for math class. It's a valuable skill for solving problems in everyday life. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. See you soon.